Welcome to Visual Impact. My name is Paul Brown, and today we get the very first look at the new Canon camera, the XA25. Now this camera is actually part of a new series, two new cameras, the XA20 and the XA25. Really looking at and taking over from the XA10 position with some new key features as well. Now the camera, we've literally just got it this morning, and the data's just been released this morning. So to help me out, I've got some notes here to take you through the camera itself. Before we take a quick look at it, I just want to run through the key features of the camera. Again, it's a CMOS sensor. It's a 2.84 inch CMOS sensor. Great for low light capabilities. 20 times optical zoom lens, so twice the optical zoom that the XA10 had, which was only 10 times. So 26.8 millimeters to 576 millimeter focal range. Obviously image stabilizer built in for these small handheld cameras. It now does MPEG-4 35 megabits per second, as well as AVC codecs on board as well. Still using SDHC memory. Now the XA25 features also a HD SDI output, which the XA20 doesn't. Of course the XA10 didn't either. So that's the unique feature of the XA25. Frame rates. It will do 50 interlace, 25 progressive, but again, the important feature and upgrade from the XA10, it now does 50 progressive on board, which is really good. The other one is it has Wi-Fi capability, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Now that Wi-Fi is for control of the camera, so you get full control of the camera. We'll come back to that in a little bit anyway. And simultaneous MPEG-4 and AVC HD recording at different bit rates, obviously on to do different cards. Let's have a quick look at the camera and see where we go from there. Put that over there. So as you can see with the camera here, I've got it in a slightly de-rigged version. This is basically without the audio connectors fitted, and I'll show you how to fit the audio connectors in a second. But when it's closed up, it's a small handheld compact camera. Opening up the side, we've got again, another unique feature. This is the first Canon camera to come with an OLED touch panel screen. Picture quality, I can't tell you how good that is. It really is magnificent. And touchscreen for control as well. At the back end, we've obviously got the viewfinder if you want to do handheld as well. Two SD camera slots, memory slots, sorry, on the camera itself, so it'll hot swap between the two, and obviously the simultaneous recording capability as well. Another unique feature in here, infrared recording, so you can switch it into an infrared mode. Coming round, it's very simple. AV outputs and DC in, and then on the front here, if we just pull this back a little bit, you've got HDMI, you've got USB, and you've also got the HD SDI output as well, mic and headphones. On the camera itself, if I just move it around so you can just see the top, you've got one ring which can be multifunction, and you've got inbuilt audio as well. Let's move on to the audio and I'll show you how to put the audio together. So it comes with the camera as standard, is a handle which also has the audio inputs and control. So it just fits into the hot shoe at the front there, and two connectors at the back just to screw it into place. And one at the front. And that gives you a top handle for the camera as well. So nice and easy to fit. On the side, you've got two XLR inputs, obviously your microphone holder as well, which is detachable. And then you've got line mic and mic with plus 48 volts control here as well, your level inputs. So just to recap on this new Canon XA25 camera, improved low light performance over the XA10, double the zoom range capability, improved stabilization, and new 35 megabit per second record capability in MPEG-4 directly onto the SDHC memory cards. HD SDI output on the XA25, remember, so you can record offboard to higher bit rates if you wanted to. The new OLED touchscreen, so fantastic images when using it away from the viewfinder and using it directly onto the viewing screen. Wireless control, so Wi-Fi control, gives you remote control of record, monitor, and the transfer of footage wirelessly as well, which is really quite good for this camera. and simultaneous recording of MPEG-4 and AVC codecs at different bit rates capable as well. So it's a compact, nice and easy to use little camera, and I think it's a great camera for lots of different industries. Documentary style shooting will be really good. I think the IPTV type people will love it. Really simple to use, great codec on board as well. News gathering, of course, it's just very simple, very compact, so you can fit in your pocket and run away with it very, very quickly. And that Wi-Fi capability does give you an extra component that you can use in news gathering and uploading very, very quickly. So to get more information on the new XA25 and the new XA20 from Canon, please give Visual Impact a call, 0208 977 1222, or of course you can jump on our website www.visuals.co.uk. See you again soon.